Hi guys, Layla here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a tutorial on noses. So right now I'm just doing like the hump of the nostril, and I go ahead and I do the base without really connecting it through. I draw the underside and the side of the nostril, and then I do this little thin line above the nostril to kind of give it a sort of 3D effect, to kind of show that, you know, our noses aren't just, you know, flat, so I don't want to, you know, portray them as flat. So I feel like that middle line really helps with separation and making it seem like that's where the nose peaks and then goes in. And then I just used the copy paste method on the sketch, and now I'm using the selection tool to kind of form the nose to how I would like it to look. And then I go ahead, I lighten the sketch, I go in with my inking brush, and then I just go ahead and start inking. As always, of course, using the under sketch as a guideline. As you see, my lines aren't exactly matching up, but that's okay. I'm doing it exactly as I want it to be. And then going ahead and I'm inking the other side in this part, just to kind of show you, you know, that's one of the methods. Obviously, that's the usual method. But it's kind of looking out a little crooked, not the sort of look that I like. I like things symmetrical when exactly for when you are looking, you know, at the viewer head on. And so I'm doing a little few tweaks here to sort of get it to look very exact to the other side, and just a lot of fooling around here to sort of get that look I'm going for. So then I go in and I erase it, and I go in and I try and just do the copy paste method in order to show the other way of getting that very symmetrical look. I, you know, place it where I need it to be, and I start tweaking the lines a little bit to look more seamless. And just like in my other video, the copy paste method is just the selection tool, Control Copy, Control V, it's on another layer, and then you mirror it. So let's go ahead and move on to the next nose. In the next nose, I went ahead and I did a diamond shape first, which is something that I feel I should have done with the first nose as well, but I didn't think of it at the time, because noses are very diamond shaped, or in this case, this girl is at an angle, so the nose appears to be more of a teardrop kind of diamond. And but this is just a basic 3D kind of shape, where then I go in and sketch on another layer, basically kind of like just filling in. And so I got the shape of my nose, the nostril, the side, hump, and then I go in and I erase the bottom sketch because I don't need it anymore. And then I go ahead, I zoom out to kind of make sure that this is looking exactly like I would like it to. And then I go back in, lighten the layer, and I start inking it. And, you know, I'm doing the hump, going down the nostril, you know, just loosely following the sketch underneath. And then I do my little line to give that 3D effect. And I zoom out to make sure I like how it looks. And then that is pretty much it. And that's how I do my noses. And then I take away the bottom sketches to kind of show you how our characters are looking right now. So that is it. If you like this video, comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video where we do lips. Thanks guys. Bye.